Okay guys, first start. First the air is going to come out of the booster, and then it's going to start filling. There's the detergent pumps. We're waiting to see if those things come on and start turning. This one is turning, check it out. So I got these on maximum right now, just so I can prime all the lines. I've also gone ahead and tightened all the lines, make sure that everything, there's no leaks from the water coming in, or these hoses were on tight enough and didn't get loosened up through transport. Let's see what's going on. This one is set to max, so I guess it doesn't, the rinse won't activate until it's in an actual rinse cycle. This machine is operated by a circuit board. And we're still in fill mode as you can see, the detergent pump is still spinning. Let's take a second. Oh, that's it. Did you guys hear the click? I heard some clicks going on here. Oh, there's a rinse aids coming on. I guess I'm in a rinse mode now. Ah, there we go. It's full. So now we'll wait for the booster to heat. Okay. This machine has 3 modes. So push the button once, you got 1 minute wash. Push it a second time, you got 2-minute wash. And when the two lights are lit, you have a 3-minute wash. As you can see, we've gone from 87 to 91, and well, let's just watch, see if it goes up a bit. We've got 40, 41, so we're getting there. Here it comes. Well, why don't we put this into a 1-minute wash and do a wash. So just push the button. This unit has a temperature system, so it won't stop washing until the booster hits 185, okay? So it could be a little bit more than a 1-minute wash. I think that's it. I know if it's quiet enough for you. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye.